Hey, Nakia the Closer here. Are you having trouble selling your home? Well, stay tuned. This is your girl Nakia, real estate broker with Caldwell Banker Realty, Irmo Lake Murray branch. I am sitting here at the beautiful Lake Murray. Just been pondering on some few inquiries that I have received recently. Sellers that either have their house listed with a realtor or a brokerage company looking to list, or for sale by owners wanting to know how do we strategically position their house in the market. So typically what I do is I'm pulling comparables that have sold, active and pending as well, in the last 6 months, but I'm really narrowing down on what has sold in the last 6 months. You can go up to about a year, but typically I like to keep my data as tight and honest as possible and accurate. So I'm looking at what sold in the last 6 months in that location that you're looking to list. Also, I'm looking at the number of bedrooms, baths, so the criteria, square footage, and the amenities as well. And I'm comparing, and that's going to determine what I'm positioning your house for in the market. Another thing that I like to consider, and typically I need to really truly do a walkthrough. It's hard for me to list a house without actually walking through and speaking with the seller, knowing what their goal is. How soon are you looking to sell your home? Are you super motivated, or can it sit on the market for a while? Those are going to be some determining factors, because we need to look at days on the market basically to determine again where you want to position it. But I'm looking and I'm walking through. First, I'm walking around the exterior. Do you need some landscaping? Do you need a company to come and spruce up your yard? Are you needing the exterior of your home power washed? I'm going in the inside of the house and seeing if there's any repairs that you know that needs to be identified. Because if there's anything that you know that needs to be fixed, or things structurally going on with the house that you have knowledge of, plumbing, electrical, we need to make sure we go ahead and fix that prior to putting it on the market. If you're not going to fix it, then you have to disclose it. But one thing that is extremely important is making sure that your house is clean. If you don't want to go in and, you know, put a fresh coat of paint or fresh new carpet, then I do think that it's going to be super important that you get with someone, and I have contacts galore if you need contacts, but someone to come in and actually do a deep cleaning of your house. Depersonalize, take down any personal photos and awards, tuck those belongings away in a safe place. Nobody needs to know who's living in the house. They need to come in, the buyer, come in and make sure that when they walk in that house, they're able to personalize it and visualize it themselves for their family. The other thing that you need to consider is decluttering. Making sure that you're really showcasing your countertops in the kitchen and in the bathroom. Take any gadgets or things that you would typically keep on the countertops, remove those. The same things with your area rugs. Remove your area rugs, open up the space, making sure that you're really showcasing how spacious your house is. So essentially you want your house to be staged, and you can stage this yourself like a model home, you know, making sure that it's clean, it smells good. Another question I've been getting asked recently is, what are the costs associated with selling my house? You definitely need to account for deed stamps and deed preps. If you're going to hire a listing brokerage to list your house, then they're going to have to be compensated. If you're going to compensate the cooperating broker, then they have to be compensated as well. So you need to factor in those costs as well. If you're going to offer concessions, if you know that there's repairs that need to be done, you need to make sure that you incorporate those costs. I take on the marketing cost for my homes that I list. I'm heavy on the digital marketing. I come in, I take beautiful photos, I boost my social media platforms with YouTube advertisements. I put a sign out in the yard, so when people drive by, They're not contacting the broker. Of course, I am a broker with Caldwell Banker Realty, but those buyers or potential buyers, they're contacting me personally. I'm doing open houses, I'm marketing open houses, so you're gonna have exponential traffic coming through, walking through your home. It's definitely gonna get the exposure that it needs. If you are looking to list your house, or if you have any questions, or if you want a free market analysis, reach out to me. My contact number is 803-530-0641. Again, that's 803-530-0641. I'm looking forward to chatting with you and building that relationship and rapport. Take care and have a great day. Nikia the Closer here, your favorite Irmo realtor. Hey, Nikia the Closer here. Are you having trouble selling your home? I forgot what I was saying. Hey, Nikia the Closer here. Are you having trouble? God.